welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. Today I'm installing a wig from Remy Forte Hair. Their information will be in the description box below. But this is the beautiful wig that we're working with today. This is a 26-inch 180 density wig. It's a balayage blonde color. This is just what the inside of the wig looks like, the construction. It has the combs at the back, the non-slip grip, and the elastic band, as you can see here. And I also got the frontal and pre-cut lace, and it is pre-plucked and pre-bleached, as you can see. But let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so I already have braids in my hair. As you can see, I have two braids going straight to the back, so I'm just going to go ahead and slick back my edges on the sides. I am going to be using a wig cap, so I just want to make sure everything lays flat and seamless. Like I said, I have braids already, so I'm just taking a couple bobby pins and I am pinning them up so everything can lay flat on my head and not be bulky underneath this wig cap. Even if it is a little bit bulky, you're not going to be able to see it, but I just want to pin it up and get it out of the way. And then I'm going to go ahead and slide on the wig cap. And then I'm going to take my cream makeup from Ruby Kisses, per usual, with my flat top brush and color the wig cap so that it can, you know, look how it's supposed to look. Now I'm just taking the elastic band, putting it towards the back of my head first, and then I'm pulling the wig backwards and I'm tucking that comb under. That back comb saves lives. Like, I love a wig with a back comb because I feel like the wig is more secure. Even though I am going to be gluing this wig down, I just feel like it's more sturdy. And then I'm just adjusting the wig to make sure everything fits properly. But get into this color. This color is so pretty. It's going to be so gorgeous for fall. And I love how the wig comes pre-curled, so can't wait to style that. But right now I'm just cutting the lace a little bit so that it can fit in front of my ears, if that makes sense. The lace kind of comes down over my ears, so I'm just cutting behind that lace so that I can pull the wig down how I need to. I'm going to be doing that on both sides. Alright, so now I'm ready to glue down the wig, but before I do, I'm just figuring out how far down I want it to come because your girl forehead is large. Okay, so I need a lot of it covered. So once I figure that out, I'm just taking some rubbing alcohol, cleaning off my hairline because I have 2 pounds of makeup on my forehead, and I want to wipe it off so that the glue can stick how it needs to. And then I'm just going to put just a small amount of glue across the front part of the lace, and as you can see, my finger is right here because I don't want the glue to go past that. I'm also going to make sure that I spread out the glue really thin so that when I dry it, it dries easily. Look, I didn't even need a blow dryer. And now I'm just going to pull it down and lay it into that glue and take the back of my comb and just press it in really good. And as you can see, I only put the glue across the front part of my forehead. I didn't put it across the sides there because, as you can see, I have a pre-cut lace frontal. I don't know what in the world possessed me to do that, knowing good and well I have a weird hairline. Like, Deanna, why would you do that with a frontal? I could see a pre-cut lace closure for me, but a frontal, this was a mistake. So anyways, I did that, but as you can see, my natural edges come out way far than where the cut is in the lace. You know what I'm saying? I look a little crazy. So I can only put glue on the across my forehead, and then I'm putting it here behind my like sideburns, and I'm doing this on both sides. This was actually okay. It wound up working out in the end. And then where my natural hair is, I wound up using like, I think a lace spray, but I'll show you that part a little bit later. after about 20 minutes, I'm taking off this wig band, and now I got to get to work because I have to make sure that my baby hairs, my real baby hairs, my edges are covered. So I'm just putting real baby hairs, not real, but putting baby hairs in the wig here. And lately I have been skipping baby hairs in my wigs, and I think that's been pretty cute. But like for this one, I really had no choice. I absolutely had to. This is the only way I was going to be able to cover up my edges. Alright, so while I let my edges sit, I'm going to be defining the parting space in the wig. So it already had a middle part in it, so I'm just making sure that, you know, that the middle part looks clear enough and that my part is going far back. The parting space in this wig is actually really, really good. Right now I'm taking the not the Got To Be Free spray. Oh yeah, the Got To Be Free spray, spraying that along my hairline, and then also taking my wax stick, and I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb to smooth everything out so that there are no lumps and bumps in the top of this wig. Alright, so now we're on to my favorite part of the wig, and it's the fact that it is pre-curd. Yes. So I'm just taking my wide tooth comb and I'm combing through it just to loosen up the curls a little bit because I don't want them as tight as they came. But I love pre-curled wigs because that is less work for me. Oh my goodness, please give me a pre-curled wig where the only thing I gotta do is comb through it and go. And look at these waves, they look so nice and pretty. And then also you can see the color in the hair more. So love this. And the thickness, this hair is so thick, like it's so full. So yeah, this is my favorite part right here. So I'm taking off the edge band, and I got to say she is looking really, really cutesy, very demure. You know, at first I was real scared about how the edges and everything were going to come out. It is quite a bit of baby hairs for my liking, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. At the end of the day, I really, really love this wig and this color and this fullness, and I was not going to let that go to waste. But what I am going to do is just cut a few layers in the wig just so that the front can frame my face. So I'm just taking my scissors in small sections at a time, and I'm cutting away from my face. So after I cut some layers in the front of the hair, I realized that I wanted to go in and define some of the curls a little bit more. So I'm just taking my curling iron and just curling my hair going away from my face. This really helps the layers like pop out a little bit more and show a little bit more, especially after it's been cut. So I'm just doing a little bit of touching up, not too much because like I said, I don't like doing all that work, but just a little bit. Alright, so I'm taking the wig band off, and this is looking good, honey. Let me tell you. Actually, I don't even gotta tell you. Just look for yourself. Look at this. This looks so cute. I love this color. Everything came out really beautifully, honestly. I was really excited about that. Last thing I'm going to do is just take some of my cream makeup and just swipe it ever so lightly across my hairline. I really didn't even have to do all that, honestly, truly, because everything was blending in seamlessly and so good, but it's a habit, so I had to do what I got to do. But besides that, this style is done. It was easier than I thought. Even with the issue with my edges and everything, it definitely was not hard at all, especially with that pre-cut lace, because I stuck a cut and lace anyway, so that was kind of helpful. But this hair is so thick. They say it's 180 density. I don't know, it's given 200. It's just like how full it is really full, and this like curl pattern and the color is gorgeous. Definitely perfect for fall. Didn't have any issues with like tangling or shedding or anything like that, and the hair flows so nicely. You would definitely love this wig. You got to check it out. All the information will be in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.